What's up guys, I'm Rasim from RasimTech.com and this is another tutorial in assembly programming. Now in this class I'm going to show you guys how to use the SHR instruction, so let's get started. Now the SHR instruction performs a logical right shift on a destination operand, replacing the highest bit with a 0, the lowest bit is copied to the carry flag, and whatever was in the carry flag before gets overwritten. Now if you guys watched my last tutorial, I showed you guys how to use the SHL instruction, the shift to the left. Now, it's basically the same thing, but with the SHR instruction, you're shifting to the right instead of the left. So I'll show you how that works right now. So this is the syntax of a SHR instruction. We type SHR, we hit space, we hit the space button, we type in our destination operand, comma, hit space, then we type in our count, how many counts, how many times we want the shift to happen. So now right here, as you can see, it shifts to the right, not the left. In our last tutorial, like I said, the SHL instruction shifts to the left, this one shifts to the right. Now the highest bit here gets replaced with a 0, everything shifts over right here, and the lowest bit here gets copied to the carry flag. So now let's say we had I'll use an 8-bit operand as a example here. Let's say we had this here, 4 5 6 1 0, right? This here, let's make sure it's 8. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, right? This is 2 in binary, right? So if we use the SHR instruction here and we use a count of 1, everything will be shifted over 1, right? So whatever was here will get replaced with a 0. Everything gets shifted over 1. This 1 here will be at the end here, it will be the lowest bit. So this is how it would look here. And this would be a 1. And whatever was in this lowest bit here would get moved to the carry flag. So this would be, this 2 would turn to a 1. Now, there's a mathematical equation we could use to find out what our value would be when we use the SHR instruction. We use the value of our destination operand, right? Whatever value the destination operand has, divided by 2 to the n power, n being the count. Now, if you have a count of 1, you replace this with 1. So, since we use the count of 1, right, I'll tell you exactly what happened. Now, our destination operand had a value of 2, right? So, 2 divided by 2 to the n being the count, n was a 1. We always use a count of 1. So, 2 to the first power is 2, right? So basically over here, 2 divided by 2 is 1. So our answer here now is a 1. When we use the SHR instruction, our answer became a 1. So let me show you how that works in MU8086 here. I'm going to use the same example, but just going to write in the code. So I'll show you how it works. We have to start off by moving around some values. I'm going to move into AX because AX is going to be our destination operand. I want to move the value of 2, right? So now AX has a value of 2. Now we're going to use the SHR instruction. So I'm going to type in SHR, hit space. We're going to type in our destination operand, which is the AX register, comma. Then we're going to type in our count, how many times we want this to shift over. I'm going to use a count of 1. So let's test it out. I'm going to hit emulate here. Now our first line of code is highlighted, move into AX the value of 2. So once I hit single step, AX should now have a value of 2, and now AX has a value of 2. So our second line of code is highlighted here, the SHR instruction, right? So once I hit single step, now AX has a value of 1, because I showed you down here. So as you can see here, we had a value of 2 in our destination, right? Then we used the SHR instruction, right? So once that happened, all the bits got shifted over 1. The highest bit, 0 was added, everything was shifted over, and the lowest bit was moved to the carry flag. So that's how we got an answer of 1. So pretty cool, right? So let's open this up again. So that's pretty much it. If you guys like this video, please give me a like. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. I'm Rasim from RasimTech.com, and thanks for watching.